is Jing. Now today we want to share with our two series level press brake. One is E21 NC controller, the other is our this kind of CNC CT8P CNC controller. We will guide you how to operate it to make the metal bending by these two controllers. Okay, now follow me. This is one kind of E21 NC controller. The main function of this controller is make the X-axis programs. It totally have the 40 program. Each program have the 25 steps. For the Y-axis, for the bending angle, we must use manual to test your ideal Y-axis and remember it to make the programs for Y volume. Okay, now let's show you how to make this three steps bending in this E21 controller step by step. Okay, now we have finished this three-step bending by this E21 controller. Okay, now let's introduce about this CT8P CNC controller. It's easy operate and amazing touch screen, right? You just need to insert your ideal bending angle like this, and each step programs Y-axis for the back gauge like this is okay. It's very easy, right? Now let's see how to make these three steps bending step by step. Okay, now we have finished these two controller bending parts. One is for the E21 NC controller, the other is for the CNC controller. Of course, this kind of CT8 CNC controller is bending more faster and more high accuracy, right? Are you getting how to choose NC controller and CNC controller press brake? For more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.